Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your BLACKVIEW A70. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, begin the search for an app, and write Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button, and after that select this app and install it. And after installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here we'll need to customize it, and the first thing is to turn on the sync. You can also skip that if you want, but here you can add account or sign in order to synchronize other Microsoft Edge browsers from multiple devices, but I'm gonna skip that and sign in later. Here you can set up for your data sharing preferences, and if you enable that, you'll be able to share your data with Microsoft in order to improve the app. So you can either accept or not for that, so I'm not gonna accept that, and then press confirm. Here you can also set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. So let's do that, set as default browser, and here select Edge and set as default. And right here we have our browser. We can open any website and it should work without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.